G'day Darren, how are you, mate? Good, JJ. Good, okay. Well, we're here. You might get out of that light there. It looks a bit weird. You look like something out of, like, Star Trek. Darren, these events that we're holding, we want to ask the people in the room here if they actually enjoyed themselves. Do you mind if we do that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, I'm just going to turn this around.
What I learned today in just mere couple of hours, I haven't actually learned that in the last 4 or 5 years, so I think that's pretty good.
I think there was a lot of wow with a lot of pragmatic and practical approaches, and the sense of humour is just phenomenal. So keep that going, and looking forward to work with you.
Enjoyable, insightful, and a lot of fun.
Fantastic, lots of valuable advice that you can implement immediately.
It's been great, the content's great, the strategies look really easy to execute when you've got the right mentors.